request the others on stage as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Nishin, the chairman. Nishin, may I request your presence on stage, Nishin? Along with him, the co-chairman, Mr. V.A. Hassan. May I request your presence as well, Nishin? Congratulations on the fourth one.
The main man of Nishka Momentous Jewelry, the grand fourth show.
May I request Mr. V.K. Ashraf onto the stage? Mr. V.K. Ashraf, Mr. O.V. Mustafa, Mr. Ashraf Arakil, and Mr. Ashraf Omar, Mr. Najib, Mr. Okay, so show your love for Tamanna Bhatia on my count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, let's go.
That's for you, please.
Good evening, Abu Dhabi. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் நிறைய தமிழ் ஃபேன்ஸ் இங்கே வந்திருக்காங்க చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారన్న తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు అసలు एंड हिंदी ऑफ कोर्स मैं मुंबई में पली बड़ी हूँ तो मुंबई से जो मेरे हिंदी क्राउड है जो हिंदी बात करने वाले लोग हैं वो कहाँ हैं हिंदी में हिंदी बात करने वाले लोग मलयालम मुझे मलयालम बात करनी नहीं आती
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ
How are you all good?
देखिए अभी मलयालम भी सीख रही हूँ सो पूरी सारी भाषाएं धीरे धीरे करते आ ही जाएंगी बट देयर इज वन लैंग्वेज दैट इज यूनिवर्सल एंड दैट इज लव and that's what you guys give me and I think I am so overwhelmed I don't think मैं कभी भी सोच सकती थी कि इतने लोग यहाँ पर इतने घंटे मेरे लिए वेट करेंगे and thank you for giving me so much of your love and thank you Nishin sir thank you sorry Nishin sir hi thank you for inviting me for Nishka Momentous Jewelry. This is your 4th store. A big congratulations. I hope you open many more stores like this. आपके लिए यस आपको बहुत सारा प्यार बहुत दिल से बहुत सारा प्यार थैंक यू आप हमारी सारी फिल्में देखते हैं इट मीन्स सो मच टू अस लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू एवरीबडी
Thank you.
Thank you.
What are you saying?
Okay.
I think there's so much love that Aaj Ki Raat has gotten. I don't even think I could have imagined the kind of love it's gotten.
Oh,
So,
But
so we
I
had
have to also thank is Rizwan sir also there?
Yes.
Okay, so but thank you. I just want to thank everybody who's been a part. And यहाँ पर I was looking at everybody जो अंदर स्टोर को सेटअप कर रहे हैं उनको big congratulations. I hope this place is busy with a lot of people coming and enjoying the jewelry that they buy from you. I am a jewelry lover.
We saw that when you were doing the first sale, you were opening
I was
everything and
very
watching.
distracted. Rizwan sir, I was sorry Rizwan, sorry. I mixed it up. Nishin sir, I was extremely distracted by the jewelry. Like I don't think I could focus on any of the photos because your jewelry is so beautiful. I was very distracted and as a girl I am allowed that. So I hope everyone comes to your store and just gets distracted by the jewelry and ends up shopping with you guys. And just a lot of love from me.
Now that we're talking about jewelry, Nishin and Tamanna, I think I need to ask you this. What's your go-to jewelry? If you need to step out and if you had to pick like a kundan or a diamond necklace, what's the go-to jewelry for you?
For me, I really love a mixture, you know. I love bold gold mixed with either gemstones or either diamonds. So I like to mix bold gold and normally in India we are exposed to a lot of temple jewelry, a lot of kundan, so different kind of work. But I really enjoy interpreting bold gold and I of course saw a lot of wonderful pieces. I love what I'm wearing today and if I vanish sir you know where it is gone. You can collect it back from Mumbai.
Then I don't mind following her. I will stalk you.
Can I ask you something? Can we have pictures together and
Let's
then
do
we'll
this.
leave Tamanna for something else as well.
Absolutely.
So I'll have the pictures taken and I'll relieve you guys and then we'll go ahead. So along with them, can I have Roshan Fawaz also on stage? Roshan and Simi, if you're around, can I have you here on stage as well? Can we click a picture? Roshan, please.
Mr.
Roshan. VK Ashraf. Ashrafika, if you're here, can I please have you on stage, Ashrafika? Please, please.
Using it very well.
Very well, yeah. That's what I
Good reason.
But
remember.
at the end of the day, you're giving the necklace, huh, Tamanna?
On her Instagram, she posted that Tamanna is giving away the necklace. Not
Good
fair.
idea.
All right.
Good marketing rings.
Thanks, guys. I think they should hire me as a marketing.
Absolutely. And Pavitra, have you selected the winner?
Yeah, we have somebody. Ready na? പേര്
പറയൂ.
തുടങ്ങുന്നത്
Starts with
P.
P. Pavitra എന്നായിരിക്കും.
But ending the name is, what's the ending of my name? A. A only, guys. Starts with a P, ends with an A.
തേങ്ങ ഉടക്ക് സ്വാമി.
Alright, guys, should I just say the name right
Okay,
now?
okay.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, Purnima!
പൂർണിമ. പൂർണിമ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ? Hey പൂർണിമ വാ. പൂർണിമ ഫോൺ നമ്പർ എന്നിട്ട് പോക്കോ. ആ ശരി വാ വാ വാ.
There you go.
Congratulations Purnima. It's a diamond necklace.
Congratulations.
പൂർണിമ ഹാപ്പി അല്ലേ? ഫോട്ടോ കിട്ടിയാ അമ്മയായിട്ട് അവരെടുക്കാൻ ആളിനെ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ. കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ് പൂർണിമ. കൊള്ളാം. പൂർണിമയുടെ ഇൻസ്റ്റയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്.
പൂർണിമയ്ക്ക് ഞാൻ ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ ഒക്കെ എടുക്കണം. പിന്നെ എടുക്കാം.
ഞാനേ അമ്മ from the start there was a kid here who had come here and she has been waiting for so much time with a letter that she wanted to give you. Can I bring her in?
Absolutely.
Please. പൂർണിമ. Give it to me.
കയ്യടിയാക്കാമോ പ്ലീസ്?
Big round of applause. ആ കൊച്ചിന്റെ കൈപ്പടയിൽ ഒരു ലെറ്റർ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ we don't see it anymore and she has done it for Tamanna. Huge fan of Tamanna. She wanted to see her. She wanted to meet her.
Hi love, what's your name?
Arna.
Arna. Guys, give her a huge round of applause. It takes a lot of confidence and guts to be
Whoa,
here.
look at that.
Oh wow. What is this, Arna? Is this specially for Tamanna? Say, what did you do?
I made it just for her because she's my biggest fan.
I am her biggest fan. No. She said the right thing. I
Yeah.
am her biggest fan.
Tamanna is her biggest fan.
I am her biggest fan.
But that's just grammar. That's fine.
So cute. There you go.
You can hug her. It's fine.
Are you happy? Yeah? Say Tamanna, I love you.
Manna, I love you.
That's the golden moment. Nishka golden moment of the day. Congratulations, boy. Congratulations. Tamanna, we'll just have a picture from here. All of us, Nishan, can I have you join in this one? With the
you so
whole
much.
crowd.
Thank you.
With the whole crowd. Tamanna, Pavitra, just join in this one. Let's have this.
Out, and I really hope and wish each and everyone finds happiness, success and peace in their lives. Thank you so much Nishan sir, thank you so much for making me a part of the 4th store launch. It'll be very memorable to me. I got this beautiful letter from
Arna.
the girl I am a big fan of, Arna. And the entire activity of you thinking not just about your store but thinking about people who've come here. I mean, I have done store openings before, but I do feel like there's such a warmth that you conducted this entire function with. I did not feel like the people standing here are separate from us. They feel like a part of the whole function and they are the function. So thank you so much, and the wonderful giveaways that you thought of, it is so thoughtful and you made so many people's day today. So congratulations on the store opening and for the wonderful heart that you have.
And the
Thank
wonderful
you.
host.
And the wonderful host.
And the 2 most happening hosts in Abu Dhabi.
Madam, before you go, Tamanna madam, before you go, just take a look at the other side of the road. The other side of the road.
Yes.
Oh wow.
They have not crossed, they are still there. Look all around, and please wave
For
to
the
them.
one last time, everybody.
I'm telling you.
Everybody, make some noise for Tamanna Bhatia.
Because we had to maintain the decorum because we couldn't block the roads. That's why the others are there. But they are also there since they love you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pavitra, sir, not Avantika. Alright, guys, thank you so
Go to the edges. This is going up on Nishka's page, everyone. Everyone make some noise.
for Tamanna
Come on.
Bhatia.
This is for Tamanna.
Abu Dhabi, show some love to our queen Tamanna.
Kai, Bookie. Everyone wave. Wave. Hands up in the air, everyone. Let's go.